Kahle, mfana kagama lo. Welcome to Moza Music, a platform where we examine music ukucula kwaba. We always break down amalezi to try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback. We encourage others. We inspire others. Basically, we post non-toxic content. What is up, bro? Yabona magwabantu abasonta revival. Hayi yekela mfana. So today's video was requested by Ukai Kamala Kumto. Never really ask him his full name. Umto always texts me on TikTok. So every time Mangaya in revival, just know Umto is putting me on. Unshange, let me put you on via TikTok. So if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Also, don't forget to always give me recommendations as well. And comment Buffet to go my video. Don't be scared. Come on, don't be scared, yo. So we are currently sitting at 414. That is good. And Buffet to this page is growing. And this page is gonna be big. Trust me. Just trust the process. Yeah, trust the process. So, today we are reacting to a Reviver Catholic Ministries. It is well. So, without wasting too much time, let's dive right into it. So lalela minion namhlanje. So boy. He's a soprano, so no, my name alto. Whatever that voice is. Hold. Guys, man, I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. Yo, damn. Right, the way they ascended up, bro. Ngale alto, hey, that thing sounds angelic, bro. Oh my god. Hey, they're putting me on. Listen to this. Yo, guys. Yo. Hey, revival. Hey. Damn. And it's hard, bro. Come on. Forget all of that, bro. Forget all of. Look at my hair, though. My hair is rising. Yo, yo, yo. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, yes. Who is this person? Who is that? Now, my sister. Bruv, dog, yo, like, Revival, I have a question. Just, how do you guys tap in like that? Like, how do you guys lock in like that? This is the third video revival that I'm reacting to in a space of 2 months, right? And in revival, one thing you need to understand about human system, a human system has nerves, nerves. Each nerve corresponded with certain notes. That is why when you listen to music, you have this feeling, oh, I understand. When you listen to certain type of music, right? Could be any genre. One for me is hip hop, right? So it's musical chords. So those chords are within your your nervous system. So your nervous system is inside. So your nervous system is everything that rises your goosebumps, the shockings, and all of that. Feelings that you can't explain. I want like you, but I have butterflies in my stomach. Those are your nerves, right? Whenever revival is singing, they hit a high nerve emzimbeni wakho where you feel afloat. With their name, revival, bazokuvuselela, bro. Harmonious joy. It is well with my soul. That's it. That's all they've been saying. But the way they deliver it, yeah, I was feeling like a rash, like like a sudden lightning throughout my body every time they say it. Like inch from at the back of my head, and then it just goes down on my hands, bro. And I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Listen to it out, Jojo. to the world. Let me put you on. Let me put you on. Dog. What? Oh my god, this people are gonna make me cry, dog. Man, this is all the videos, bruh. Just there. Oh, mama. Yo, I wanna talk on Pozilla right now. You see you see a lot of ladies, right? There's one on the right, bring it to mama, bring it to sisu mama shatila, right? Then one to your left, and then the one to your left again, and then the one at the end. I am yet to hear her sing like proper, bro. Because the previous video, I could hear her, and I'm like, damn, I wanna hear her sing more often. So, lo ame phambi kwakhe ngimbiza ngominion. She has a beautiful voice. Lo, I don't have to say anything, right? But for the rest, I would love, because it seems like this church has premium, dog. Like everything seems to be premium about them, bro. Ish, my feet. Ish. Listen to this. Bye-bye. Revival tropa nini album. Oh my god. It is listen. It's so short. Au, cabia. forgot the Bur's name, lo. Ogwaba right now. I met him this year across. Just beautiful soul, man. It's a beautiful soul just to see him here. And another thing, in Revival, yo, where you all at? Like, where you guys are based, kahle kahle? Because I don't think you guys have told me. Because I presume you class because ngilalele ingoma zenu kakhulu and I'm like, hey, very thick accent. Man. Yeah, yeah. House, house. Let me put you on. Let me put you on. Let me put you on. Go revival. Hey. Tolololo. Guys, to my Indian viewers, the second part says, I see your holiness in heaven. Ngibona ubugcwele bakho ezulwini. I see your goodness in heaven. Guys, revival qhamuka vele vele. Hey, Like, where does it come from? And why am I only hearing about it now? Like, now, at my age. Now. So late. Hey, hi, man. Let me put you on. Listen to this. Mm, yeah, yeah. Nah, bro. Nah. Nah. This can't be normal. This cannot be normal. Yeah. Sound like they had to come in. Ah. Revival. Guys, let me put you on. Let me put you to my Indian viewers. They just said your love decorates the world or the planet to the point where it shines in heaven. If that is not a bad, then I don't know. I don't know. Your love decorates the world so much so that I can see it shining from the heavens. Your love decorates the world to a point where I can see it shine in the heavens. Oh my God. Ubuhle bakho buhlobisa emhlabeni, cwebeza nasezulwini, ecwebezela. is why I keep saying Zion music needs to make it on the South African music charts. These 2 million, I am yet to hear them sing, especially the one behind. Like, dude, bruv, the revival is premium. It's premium, buffet. Every time I react to them, every time, there's something new. Every time. All that was made by your hands is beautiful. Leave the microphones alone. To my Indian viewers, let me put you on. Let me put you on. They saying everything that was made by your hand or was made by you is beautiful. It's not a lie. Have you seen some of the birds we have, Nje? Have you ever sit down and look at some of the birds we have? Not gassy birds, ninyon. Birds, man, birds. Revival. Ay, ngasemakhazini na cheese. songs. What's happening, Marai? I see again, Buffett, see, Valelinda, because I. Taluk Babas. No, ma'am. You must be lying. If you do like the content on this YouTube channel, I keep saying make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And hey, look, man, look. My job is to job. Ha! Revival! Aye. Aye. And the second song, who wrote it? Is it your song? Is it Ingoma Beikona? Because all I'm saying it, even if it does exist, I feel like this version, a revival, is my favorite. The second song, it is well. That first song, you guys ate it up. Like understanding the assignment. You could from leader to Ibeka to his first party to alto, his foot to Dabanas. His bass was hitting, it then was nice and consistent throughout both songs. And then second song comes around, first part Hluki. Hey. That's why I'm saying, bruv, I am yet to hear a revival on a serious note. Like on the reals though. Ngithi, let me put you on. And a revival, are you guys dropping an album soon? Do you guys have an album? If so, let me know whether Ninjala go TikTok or Ninjala. I don't care how old it is. I would love to react to it. And hey, my nigga, my album's happening. What react to go? So yo, in the favorite way of the Jupiter, adios.